Hey everyone, you just made a killing on a crypto trade. You're sitting there, staring at your Gemini account balance, dreaming of all the things you could buy with that money. Hook. But then a question pops into your head: how much can I actually withdraw from Gemini each day? Context. We've all been there. You're ready to cash out, but you're not sure what the limits are. Is it a fixed amount? Does it depend on your account balance? Or maybe it's based on how long you've been a Gemini user. Building suspense. In this video, we're going to dive deep into Gemini's withdrawal limits. I'll break down the factors that affect how much you can withdraw and provide you with some real-world examples. Main content. Understanding Gemini's withdrawal limits. Gemini has a daily withdrawal limit for each user. This limit is designed to prevent fraud and maintain the security of the platform. The exact amount you can withdraw daily depends on several factors, including your account verification level. Gemini has different verification levels. The higher your verification level, the higher your withdrawal limit. Your account history, your past activity on Gemini, can also influence your withdrawal limit. If you've been a long-time user with a good track record, you may have a higher limit. Market conditions. In times of high market volatility or increased trading activity, Gemini may temporarily adjust withdrawal limits to ensure the platform's stability. Factors affecting withdrawal limits. Verification level. Gemini offers 3 verification levels: basic, intermediate, and advanced. Basic verification has the lowest withdrawal limit, while advanced verification has the highest. To increase your verification level, you'll need to provide additional documentation, such as proof of identity and address. Account history. Gemini monitors your account activity to assess your risk level. Users with a history of suspicious activity or frequent withdrawals may have lower limits. On the other hand, users with a long-standing and reputable history may have higher limits. Market conditions. During periods of high market volatility or increased trading activity, Gemini may temporarily reduce withdrawal limits to prevent system overload. This is a precautionary measure to ensure the platform's stability and protect user funds. Real-world examples. Let's look at some real-world examples to get a better understanding of Gemini's withdrawal limits. Basic verification. A user with basic verification may have a daily withdrawal limit of $10,000. Intermediate verification. A user with intermediate verification may have a daily withdrawal limit of $50,000. Advanced verification. A user with advanced verification may have a daily withdrawal limit of $100,000 or more. Tips for maximizing your withdrawal limits. Verify your account. The higher your verification level, the higher your withdrawal limit. Maintain a good account history. Avoid suspicious activity or frequent withdrawals. Be patient during market volatility. Gemini may temporarily reduce withdrawal limits during times of high market activity. Conclusion. So, how much can you withdraw from Gemini daily? The answer is, it depends. Your withdrawal limit is influenced by your verification level, account history, and market conditions. Remember, it's always a good idea to check Gemini's website or contact their customer support for the most up-to-date information on withdrawal limits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.